Good morning, all of you. So, welcome back for the IQM lecture. So, today we will start the last chapter of section number first. Okay, industrial management. So, already we have completed the 5 managerial functions in 3 chapters. Okay, planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. So, last chapter of section number first, industrial management. Okay, and second section is quality management. So, this is the last chapter of section number first, introduction to the basic departments in the industrial organization. Okay, so we have already discussed about the organizational functions. What is the managerial functions in organization? But as per industrial organization, we have to study which departments are there. Okay, what is the actually role of that department, nature of that department, and particular function of that department. Is it right? So our chapter number 4 is introduction to the basic department. Only 3 department we will discuss, but whatever the departments, okay, there are the different departments. What is the purpose of to create the departmentation? So to distribute the work. Okay, already we have discussed in chapter number 2. So there is a purpose of departmentation. Now here basic, or what is the difference between different departments? What is the role of manager inside that department? What is the nature of that department? So that all the point we will cover in this chapter. Okay, so what is the syllabus of this chapter is production operation management, marketing management, and financial management. Okay, only 3 departments are included in our syllabus in chapter number 4. So individually we can say that the role of that department, nature, and the function of each department. Okay, production department, marketing department, and the financial department. Okay, production is nothing but whenever the actually product we are giving. Operations is nothing but whenever you can say that the service industries. Okay, so both we will discuss. Marketing management, what are the different marketing strategies, what is the basic requirement for the marketing, government rules and regulations for marketing, different media for the marketing. Okay, social media, paper media, is it right, advertising. So all these factors we will discuss. Financial management, okay, which are the sources for the finance for industry. So this chapter is very important for the each and every management or manager, or each and every engineer also. Okay, he will become a manager in future. Okay, so this department basic knowledge is very important. So let's start. Actually, what is departmentation already we have discussed. Okay, if you consider one industry, but inside that one industry there are number of departments. Is it right? There are number of departments. Why departments are there? Because to distribution of the work. Is it right? Strength is I think less. Okay, so there are first is a CEO, for example, Chief Executive Officer, Manager, Chairman. Okay, number of this is a head, but under that particular department, or under that particular authority, there are different departments. Okay, for example, human resource. Okay, HR department, human resource management. Already we have discussed in chapter number 3. Sorry, 2 in staffing. So what are the procedure? Already we have discussed in short. Okay, but in this chapter we will complete 3 department, overall study of the 3 department: finance and accounting, sales and marketing, research and development, and operation. Okay, so this is a structure of organization. Okay, inside that organization number of departments are there. Okay, according to the work, according to the area of that particular work. Okay, so these are the departments. So in this chapter we have to study basic 3 department: production operation department, marketing department, and the finance department. Now let's start with first department, production department or production management. So what is a basic information, basic definition of production management? So production management is defined as the planning and control of all activities necessary to produce a set of product. Very simple. As name as itself, production is nothing but the produce a set of product. For that purpose, planning and controlling is also required. So addition of planning and controlling of any activities or any process, okay, or set of process or set of products, we can say that this is nothing but the production management. Okay, basically production management is the planning and control of all activities necessary to produce a set of product. Okay, so for a typical metalworking job shop type of company, production management thus comprises important functions such as product development and the technological planning, production planning and control. This is a basic information or basic definition or basic work culture or work area of production management. Okay, now we have to produce, for example, if you see here this image showing, okay, something products are there, line work is there, is it right? So this type of work will be included in production management department, is it right? So basic production management is, or area production management is produce a set of product and controlling that, planning and controlling of that particular product is nothing but the product management, is it right? Now what is actually process? Process of product management or production management. So production process system is nothing but input, process and output. Basic three criteria are there. Okay, so what is the input, what is the process and what is the output? Okay, according to the output, definitely from the customer feedback or analysis of output, definitely we will get the feedback, and that feedback we will implement in input again, and again we will change the procedure. Okay, so what factors should be included in the input? Okay, now these factors should be controlled or supervised by the production management or production manager. Okay, so this is a role of production manager, is it right? So first input is the main machine, method, material, land, capital. Okay, so production manager should consider the all the factors, all the requirement of this input. Okay, so main is nothing but whatever the manpower is required for that industry, is it right? So you have to set planning for the working also. Okay, you have to give the timetable to each and every employee if there will be shift work is there. Okay, so you have to divide that work power or manpower in the different slots. Okay, so to make timetable, to control that, to planning the entire schedule of that industry, is it right? So that point should be considered, or that point should be coordinated by the production manager. Okay, so this is a very important factor of the input. Okay, so the number of manpower is available. Okay, so emergency or extra manpower, surplus manpower is required. Okay, so then how we can distribute the manpower, is it right? As we have discussed in the staffing. Okay, only staffing we have discussed HR recruitment process, but to give the work to each and every employee, okay, or to give the symmetric work, okay, or we can say that the load distribution, okay, better load distribution or simultaneous, we can say that same load distribution to the each and every employee. Okay, नाहीतर मेवना आहे पाहुणा आहे म्हणून त्याला कमी वर्क द्यायचं. Okay, so that not be accepted, is it right? So our main target of that production manager is output should be better within the time, is it right? Within the time with minimum cost, with minimum maintenance, is it right? So these are the targets for the manager. Okay, minimum time, minimum loss, minimum maintenance, okay, and maximum profit, is it right? So this is a very important point or first point in the input. Okay, to distribute the manpower required for the industry. Okay, now second is a machine, is it right? So which machine is required for the production? Okay, so whatever that machine will be handled by the manpower, is it right? But maintenance of that material, okay, so infrastructure, or we can say that the setup of that machine, is it right? So what is the internal infrastructure of that industry, is it right? That should be considered by the production manager. Okay, where the which machine is, or which location is suitable for which machine. Okay, suppose we have kept the whatever the raw material or the scrap material in the in front of the entry gate. Is it aesthetic view will be better or not? Okay, so definitely bad impression will be there. Okay, or whatever the energy of that working people will also reduce. Okay, म्हणजे बघा तुम्ही कधी कुणाच्या घरी गेला किंवा कंपनीमध्ये गेला तर जर कंपनी फ्रेश वाटली तुम्हाला एंट्री गेट पासून दॅट विल बी ॲक्सेप्टेबल अँड वॉट एव्हर द फिलिंग ऑफ वॉट एव्हर दॅट एम्प्लॉय or whatever the person will get impressed. Okay, so infrastructure is also very important. Okay, where the locations, different machines, planning. Okay, or we can say that the plant layout. Okay, so you have to plan the plant layout. According to the plant layout, you have to arrange that entire machines. Is it right? So whether the electricity is there. Okay, so whether you have maintained the electricity wires, or you can say that the fitting of electricity. Is it right? Whatever the power sources. So all the factors you have to consider as compared to the machine. Now maintenance. Okay, if you consider why production industries are outside the always from the crowd. Okay, we can say that outside the city area. Okay, or outside the village area. Why? Because of due to the noise pollution. Okay, or exhaust gases may be there. Is it right? But before that we have to think on that whether our machine should be in working in well condition or not. Okay, whether any maintenance is required for that machine. Okay, ते मशीन सुरू असले तर कान बधीर व्हायचे शेजार पाजारांचे. ओके, कंप्लेंट गेली पाहिजे पोलीस स्टेशनला लगेच ह्यांच्या मशीनचा आवाज येतो एवढा एवढा एवढा, बरोबर का? सो according to the maintenance, suppose the noise pollution may be there, so you have to maintain that machines. Okay, you have to take or you have to purchase the advanced machines. Is it right? So that point should be considered under the production management. Okay, so if you will get a chance to be a production manager in an industry, okay, so definitely you have to think on that. Okay, generally तुम्हाला इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये गेल्या गेल्या काय तुम्हाला डायरेक्ट परचेस मॅनेजरला टाकणार नाहीत. ओके, डायरेक्टली युअर starting will be start from the production department. Okay, or second step will be quality department. Okay, so responsibility of production manager is a very high as compared to the other department, because main machine, method, material, land and capital is the main key process or main key point or input of that production procedure that have to be handled by the production manager. Okay, so you have to think on that maintenance of that machine. Is it right? Now next is the method. Method is also important. You have to whatever the method you have decided or whatever planning you have made before starting work. Okay, so you have to use the different methods. Okay, because our main motto of to studying this subject is to apply the different analytical methods also. Okay, or advanced methods. So in this section or next section there are number of methods, okay, to reduce the work, to reduce the maintenance, to reduce the time and increase the profit. Okay, so you have to update itself. Is it right? So which method you are using? Okay, so this is also important factor as compared to the competition concern. Okay, in industry there is a huge competition. Okay, suppose you have to manufacture one pen. Okay, but if you see in market 1,000 number of companies are producing pen. Is it right? But whether our pen, our product will be stay in market, definitely you will get quality, if you will get the less price. Okay, so that will be your main output or main goal of your industry. Okay, so which method you are using for the manufacturing, this is also important factor while considering the or while doing the managerial work in production management department. Okay, material and land. Already we have discussed, land is nothing but the whether you have chosen area of that your industry is sufficient, whether this is a any harmful effect from your industry will on the society. Okay, so that factors also you have to think. Okay, suppose our exhaust of your industry or any scrap material, is it hazardous for the society, hazardous for the river or water pollution may be there. Okay, so you have to maintain that points also. Is it right? Now material, whether you are purchasing material or raw material, whether if raw material is better, then and only your output will be better. Is it right? Raw material is ठिसूळ असेल, then how product will be strengthened. Is it right? So you have to check the quality of that raw material. Is it right? If raw material is waste or quality of raw material is reduced, then total ओव्हरऑल लॉस विल बी देअर. ओके, म्हणजे प्रोसेस तर सगळ्या होणार आहे त्या रॉ मटेरियलवरती. ओके, तुमची काय प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस असेल, मार्केटिंग असेल किंवा टेस्टिंग असेल, बट टेस्टिंगमध्ये तुमचं काय होणार आहे, प्रोडक्ट जर खराब निघाला तर ओव्हरऑल लॉस होणार आहे. ओके, म्हणजे प्रॉफिट तर जाणारच आहे. अगेन टोटल लॉस इज नथिंग बट ते तुमच्या मिळालेल्या आउटपुटमधून ते जाणार आहे पुन्हा. ओके, सो दिस इज अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. सो you have to consider the raw material should be better. Raw material should be checked from the whatever that managerial area. Is it right? Capital. Now production manager have to think upon capital also. What is capital? Is nothing but financial support. Okay, or we can say that the input of the finance. नाहीतर आउटपुट तुमचं 100 रुपये असेल आणि खर्च 150 रुपये, चालेल का? सो यू हॅव टू थिंक ऑन दी एक्सपेंडिचर ऑल्सो. ओके, सो डिफरंट suppose if you use the different analytical method, advanced method for the manufacturing, then definitely you will get chance to increase the profit of the entire industry. Okay, so this is a main role of production manager as a input. Okay, now after input process, okay, so with the help of all the 5 factors inside the input will be transferred to the process. Okay, so whatever the organization structure, organization process, that process will done, and that process should be coordinated by the production manager. Okay, if impossible, okay, to handle or to observe all the process, then production manager can take the help of the supervisors. Okay, so they have to add different additional supervisors also for the controlling or for the we can say that the observing the entire process. Is it right? So this will be done in the process. Okay, and after the output, after the goods and services. Okay, output may be in goods or service. Goods is nothing but the product, and service is nothing but the whatever the service we are giving only. Okay, is it right? Goods and service. For example, educational institutes are giving service only. Okay, they are giving technical knowledge only. Okay, म्हणजे ते काय खिशात भरून देतात का पुस्तक तुम्हाला? ओके, किंवा प्रोडक्ट देतात का? शिक्षण किंवा डिग्री झाली तुमची म्हणून काय देतात तुम्हाला? फुल पोशाख केलाय, कुणाला केला का डिग्री झाल्यावर? कोणाला गाडी एखादी गिफ्ट दिली. ओके, 4 व्हीलर दिली, 2 व्हीलर दिली, आयर केलाय कपड्याचा. ओके, सो एज्युकेशन इज नथिंग बट द सर्व्हिस ओनली. Is it right? Product is nothing but now touchable, we can say that. Touchable and tangible and intangible, we can say that. Okay, goods are tangible and the services is nothing but intangible. But ते दिसत नाही तुम्हाला. Okay, so output may be in terms of goods and service also. Is it right? So this is the process of the production management, production process system. Is it right? If any doubt, this is very simple, but you have to think on input factors also. Okay, and output factor, what are the output factors? So you have to think on the marketing of that particular product. Okay, advertisement of that product. Okay, and while output or while advertising, you have to think on capital also. Is it right? Which area or which media is maximum effective for our production? ओके, म्हणजे काय काय हे असतात बघा, ॲडव्हर्टाईज कुठं द्यायच्या. ओके, व्हॉट इज आवर, विच इज आवर कस्टमर. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट कस्टमर यू हॅव टू गिव्ह द ॲडव्हर्टाईज ऑल्सो. इज इट राईट? सो नाव आफ्टर प्रोसिजर द नेचर. Okay, nature is nothing but already we have discussed before. Structure. Okay, organization chart and production management department. So managing director may be there, work manager or CEO may be there. A, B, C, D are the different departments, and whatever the counts, these are the another second step or next hierarchy, or we can say that the hierarchy of the workload distribution. Is it right? So this is the nature of organization chart. So according to the work, okay, you have to distribute the manpower. We have to give the power and authority also. Okay, without any power and authority, work will be not effectively. Is it right? Now, role of production system. What is actually role of production system? Decision taken in production systems are the product design. Okay, so following decisions should be considered in the production system. Is it right? Which decisions? Product design, plant location, plant layout, production planning and control. Okay, next, right quality, quantity, quality. Okay, right manufacturing. So we will discuss one by one. Hmm. Am I audible clearly? Message anyone, please message. Although write your roll numbers here. आहेत का जागी कोण आहेत थोडेफार maintain attendance. So within this week, okay, at the end of this week I will share the attendance also. Okay. कार्यकर्ते आले कोणतरी. Now next point is the role of production system. Okay, so decision taking in production systems are decision on the product design. Is it right? If you consider, if in industry also design engineer is a separate. Okay, why? What is the role of that design engineer? So to give the or to set the product design. Okay, now how much our design is acceptable by society. Okay, whether your design will be acceptable by government or acceptable by society. Okay, or you are following the different managerial rules of that product. Okay, so if you consider the design, okay, design is a huge branch. So if you consider in design, planning, okay, drafting may be there, okay, analysis may be there, okay, we can say that this is a mandatory. Okay, all the factors should be considered in the design. Okay, which factors in design? For example, the design, drafting, okay, or design, we can say that the uh, whatever the drawing of that design product, okay, analysis, again results. Okay, so these points should be considered in the design, product design. Okay, so what is the role of the design engineer? They have to design in with the help of paper also. Okay, whatever the design they have created with the help of software or by on pen paper also. Okay, so they have to transfer that design as it is to the next level. Is it right? So clear design should be transferred to the next level of the manager or next level of the hierarchy. Okay, then and only your product will be get better output. Okay, a plant location. So that production manager should think on the plant location also. Okay, whether our location is suitable or any harmful or hazardous effects on the society or whatever the nearby areas. Okay, so that you have to find out also. Okay, now according to the transportation facility. Okay, so plant location also you should decide. Is it right? नाहीतर एखादी इंडस्ट्री असेल मग खेड्यामध्ये इंडस्ट्री का नसतात रूरल एरियामध्ये ड्यू टू द ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन फॅसिलिटी ओनली. ओके, whether electricity is available, okay, whether water is available. Okay, so these are the basic needs. Is it right? So for that purpose you have to think on the plant location also. Is it right? whether electricity is available, what is if any, काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, if any sudden effect may be happen, for example rainy season, okay, in rainy season, winter season, okay, you have to think on seasons also. नाहीतर इंडस्ट्री कुठली आपली बाबा, काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, पिण्यावर लिक्विड इंडस्ट्री मे बी देर, तुम्ही ते टाकली हिमालयात तर ते चालेल का, उन्हाळ्यात तेवढी चालवायची, थंडीत बंद ठेवायची इंडस्ट्री. ओके, सो दॅट शुड नॉट बी हॅपन. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द युअर प्रोडक्ट यू हॅव टू choose the plant location also. Okay, so this is a mandatory, yeah? You have to take a whether your area is sanctioned by the government, okay, whether your land which is you are using is a non-agriculture land, okay, it is lots. So all the factors, different governments, whether you have taken the permission from the government, is it right? So that factor should be very important and considered by the production manager. Is it right? Whether your foundation is suitable, okay, or whatever the machines, whatever the work is done on that same area or location, okay, so that points also you have to consider. Whether your land is sufficient, okay, किंवा नंतर रॉ मटेरियल किंवा टू स्टोरेज, ओके, तेव्हा तुम्ही इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये प्रोडक्टचं स्टोरेज चांगलं आहे का नाही, पावसाला जायचं धुवून सगळं, ओके. So that point should be considered. Raw material, okay, by a certain time your raw material should be sale, okay, नाही तर रॉ मटेरियल 10 वर्षाचं ठेवायचं साठवून, मग ती जागा त्याला संपून टाकायची, बरोबर का. देन so there are number of factors are there, okay, so you have to consider. Okay, now for example different tender systems are there. Okay, suppose you are reading newspaper, okay, if you see there are number of notices or number of tenders are there. Okay, so if you consider the tender for the raw material, okay, tender for the contract basis workers, okay, tender for the selling also, okay, so that factor should be considered by the production system or production manager. Okay, plant layout also, okay, layout is also very important. Okay, where or location of each and every machine, man and material. Okay, this is nothing but the layout. Okay, whether you are giving the canteen facilities to worker, okay, canteen कुठं असायला पाहिजे, इज इट राईट, जिथं मशीन चालवते तिथं बसायचं, खाली लेत मशीन खाली जेवायला बसायचं, चालेल का, दॅट शुड नॉट बी ॲक्सेप्टेबल. ओके, सो अनदर ऑर फॉर द रिफ्रेशमेंट, okay, for the refreshment purpose you have to give the some additional area also. Okay, some auditorium may be there, okay, for the function different hall should be there, is it right, different primary needs should be we have to consider. Okay, so according to the infrastructure or according to the architecture you have to think on that. Okay, so this is also role of production system, huh? Now production planning and controlling, this is the main point. Okay, we already discussed in the definition, whatever the planning we have made, okay, that planning you have to execute and control them, is it right? So this is also role. Now in production planning, which factors are there, planning and controlling. In planning, right quality, okay, so you have to maximum focus on the right quality, okay, quantity, quality and so on, quantity also. If your quality of product is better, okay, and quantity is also better, definitely profit will also get. Okay, now the product तुमची काय quality तुमची चांगली आहे, production is less, okay, so then also loss. Okay, so you have to consider the both quality and quantity also. Okay, if quality of product is better and also quantity is great or a maximum, so then only your industry will get right position, right? So that factors should be considered, the right quality and right quantity. So next is the right, this is a planning, production planning. So right manufacturing cost, is it right? So according to the manufacturing cost or maintenance cost you can say that. So that should be considered in the production planning. Okay, every manager should think on that. what is a manufacturing cost. Okay, so try to minimize the manufacturing cost. Okay, with the help of use different automation. Okay, you have to use different we can different methods. Okay, so definitely manufacturing cost will be reduced. Then if manufacturing cost will minimum, okay, definitely your profit will also grow. Okay, right delivery time. हाँ, so right delivery time is also important. Why? Because customer satisfaction is a very important for the industry. Okay, if you require to give or to deliver the product, okay, suppose your standard you can say that the standard or fixed customer is there. Okay, if your customer is fixed, then you have to give the same or right delivery also. ओके, नाहीतर बघा इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये दिस इज ऑल्सो व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. ओके, ग्राहक हा देव म्हणतो आपण. ओके, सो वी इज अ कस्टमर इज आवर गॉड. वाय? बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू इफ कस्टमर विल बाय आवर प्रोडक्ट देन अँड ओनली एंटायर प्रोसेस विल रन. ओके, ही इंडस्ट्री कशावर चालणार आहे सगळी? इफ कस्टमर विल सॅटिस्फाय अँड राईट डिलिव्हरी इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टंट. ओके, सपोज त्यांना काय पाहिजे सर, सपोज इफ यू वॉन्ट टू परचेस रॉ मटेरियल फॉर दी वर्क. ओके, जर रॉ मटेरियल तुमच्याकडे जर नाही आलं तर एंटायर वर्क विल स्टॉप. ओके, तसंच काय होणार आहे, पुढचा जो कस्टमर असेल तोही आपल्यावर डिपेंड असणार आहे. म्हणजे राईट, व्हॉट एव्हर युअर प्रोडक्ट मे बी देअर. ओके, सपोज युअर इंडस्ट्री इज नट बोल्ट मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री. ओके, इफ यू आर नॉट प्रोव्हाइडिंग नट बोल्ट टू द कस्टमर, देन that customer how they can start his industry. Okay, so this is a all dependent chain. Okay, so everyone of in organization or in society is depend on each other. Okay, then if you will not able to give the delivery within time, then what will happen? So that customer will choose the another product. Okay, so your customer will be minimized. So that factors are also very important, and you should give the right delivery on right time. Okay, so then and only your brand or whatever you can say that your industry will grow. Okay, so this point should be considered in the production planning. Okay, so after production planning, production control. How we can control? With the help of guiding and directing the resources. Is it right? So this is a important factor, guiding and direction. So what is the role of that production manager? That production manager should take a round inside that industry also. Okay, whichever is area of that particular manager. Is it right? So that factor should be considered. If any mistake they will observe, so they have to give the suggestion to that particular person, that particular supervisor. Okay, so then and then only your product quality of your product will also increase. Is it right? So all the factors should be considered in the production department. Directing resources. Now whatever the resources we are using, so each and every employee, each and every staff inside that industry should use that resources. Is it right? So whatever the resources you are providing, so that should be used by the manpower. ओके, नाही तर तुम्ही इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये ए सी लावला मस्तपैकी, ती ए सी लावून काय ती माणसं लागली झोपा घ्यायला. सो देट हाऊ बेनिफिट विल बी देअर. ओके, सो वाय ए सी हॅव रिक्वायर्ड टू इन्क्रीज द वर्किंग कॅपॅसिटी. ओके, किंवा जे काय फटीक टू रिमूव्ह दी और टू मिनिमाइज दी फटीक ऑफ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर पर्सन और पर्टिक्युलर वर्कर जर एसीचा फायदा घेऊन लागला झोपायला तर काय करणार, अवघड होऊन बसेल. इज इट राईट? सो वॉट एव्हर द रिसोर्सेस यू आर प्रोव्हाइडिंग, द बेटर यूज और इफेक्टिव्ह यूज ऑफ ईच अँड एव्हरी रिसोर्सेस शुड बी देअर, अँड ईच अँड एव्हरी रिसोर्सेस शुड बी युज्ड बाय दी वर्कर ऑल्सो. तुम्ही एखाद्या वेळेस काय देताय, त्यांना रिसोर्स देताय, बरोबर का? सो फॉर एक्झाम्पल यू हॅव गिवन सॅनिटायझर टू ईच अँड एव्हरी एम्प्लॉय. इज इट राईट? ते सॅनिटायझर जे आता ते वापरच करत नाही. सो दॅट विल बी व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. ओके, सो यू हॅव टू गिव्ह द गाईडलाईन्स टू ईच अँड एव्हरी पर्सन. इज इट राईट? सो दिस पॉईंट शुड बी कन्सिडर्ड इन द प्रोडक्शन कंट्रोल. Now functions of production management. Okay, which the functions already we have discussed. So basically 10 functions are there. Okay, so we will discuss in short. So material already we have discussed which material or whatever the quality of material, raw material analysis, all the factors you have to consider. Materials. Okay. Next is the methods. Now, which method you are using? Okay, this is also important. Machines and equipment. Whatever the man machine power, we can say that. Method, machines and equipment. Which machine? But you have to use the different advanced machines are very important. Okay. Or for the maintenance requirement. Okay. Our maintenance should be done within time also. Okay, नाहीतर मेंटेनन्स मशीन खराब झाली तर मेंटेनन्स करणारा महिनाभर येणार अवेलेबल नाही. सो देन व्हॉट हॅपन एंटायर इंडस्ट्री विल स्टॉप. ओके, सो फॉर द मेंटेनन्स द एंटायर सपोर्ट शुड बी देअर. इज इट राईट? मेंटेनन्स शुड बी बिफोर स्टार्टिंग ऑफ दॅट मशीन. ओके, जर आपण शुगर इंडस्ट्री सहकारी साखर कारखान्याचं जर बघितलं बघा तर काय सहकारी साखर कारखाने किती दिवस गाळप करते? 4 महिने तर करत असेल. ओके, तर त्यांचा मेंटेनन्स राहिलेला 8 महिने असतो. ओके, सो देन ते 8 महिने मेंटेनन्स केल्यामुळे 4 महिने कारखाना व्यवस्थित चालतो. इज इट राईट? सो दिस इज अ मॅनेजमेंट स्ट्रॅटेजी ऑर प्रोडक्शन मॅनेजमेंट स्ट्रॅटेजी. ओके, estimate is nothing but the whatever we can say that budget or whatever the schedule of that industry. Okay, loading and scheduling. Okay, whatever loading and scheduling is nothing but procedure of that work. Okay, what factors are, you can say that the raw material transformation of that raw material from whatever the area to the required machineries. Okay, so this is also very important. And scheduling, we can say that the timetable. Routine. Okay, routine is nothing but the, again you have to follow the scheduling. Is it right? Dispatching after the production completion, packing of that product. Is it right? Store, if a customer is not available right now, so then you have to store that within safe area. Okay, नाही तर पाऊस आला, पावसात प्रोडक्शन भिजलं काय करणार? That will be damaged. Okay, so dispatching is also very within transportation also. Okay, so your product should be reach as it is to the customer. Okay, नाहीतर प्रोडक्शन केलं टेम्पोच धडकला कुठतरी झालं मुंबईला काय करणार? दिस इज अ व्हेरी क्रिटिकल. So dispatching is also important. That factors, that safety you have to give to the each and every product to the industry. Okay. Expediting or follow up. So we can say that this is a controlling point. So each and every manager should control a follow up. They have to take follow up of each and every work strategy, work culture or work schedule of that industry. Okay, whether all are observing, all are following your schedule of that industry, rules and regulations of that industry. Okay, all are maintaining the quality of each and every product. Okay, whether all the workers are using machines properly. ओके, नाही तर ते वर्करच मेंटेनन्स काढायचे मशीनचा. राग आला काय बेल्ट तोडणार. ओके, उगाच काहीतरी येतं का लक्षात? सो दॅट फॅक्टर्स ऑर कंटिन्युअस फॉलोअप शुड बी टेकन. ओके, सो एम्प्लॉय शुड बी हॅप्पी. एम्प्लॉयला जर राग आला तर ते काहीतरी करू शकते. ओके, सो इफ जरी एखादं जर असं करत असेल तर यू हॅव टू टेक ॲक्शन ऑन देम. नॉट टू टेक ॲक्शन यू हॅव टू रिक्वायर पॉवर ऑल्सो, अथॉरिटी ऑल्सो. ओके, सो ऑल द फॅक्टर्स आर इंटरलिंकेज. Okay, interlinked. Okay, inspection also important point in the production management. Okay, so inspection and evaluation. Okay, evaluation is nothing but the result and analysis. So whatever the entire analysis of your entire industry should be on paper. Okay, that reports also accepted, required by the government also. ओके, बघा तुम्ही कारखान्यात सभासद कोण असेल तुमच्यातलं तर प्रत्येक वर्षी कारखान्याचा जो काय अहवाल असेल तो तुम्हाला येतो बघा कारखाना बंद व्हायच्या आधी. ओके, सो हु इज युअर शेअर होल्डर्स? ओके, हु इज युअर कॅन से दॅट द काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला मेंबर्स. ओके, कस्टमर. सो यू हॅव टू गिव्ह दी वॉट एव्हर द एंटायर evaluation to them. Okay, then and only your work or whatever the name of your industry will be in society. Okay, so these are the functions of production management department. Okay, material, method, machine and equipment, estimating, loading, scheduling, routing, dispatching, follow up, inspection and evaluation. Is it right? So again, already we have discussed a lot of points here. Production operation departments, location of facilities, plant layout and material handling, product design, process design, production planning and controlling, quality control, material management, maintenance management. Okay, so these all are the management process. Okay, so if we are studying only management, okay, so inside that these factors are very important while studying the management. Okay, next is operation management. Operation management, which is a uh, evolved for field of production of manufacturing management, is concerned with the application of the basic concept and principle of the management to those segment of organization that produce the goods and the service of the organization. The operation is nothing but whatever the production is nothing but actually product we are producing. But operation management is nothing but whether the process of that work. Okay, for example, to maintaining or to creating any job, CNC machine job you can consider, CNC VMC machines are there. Okay, so what is the role of that industry? They will purchase raw material as a circular bar. Okay, but his target is to operate or to give the different operation on that job. ओके, मग ते काय करणार आहे, तुम्हाला एक कंटिन्यू शाफ्ट येणार आणि त्या शाफ्ट पासून तुम्हाला शाफ्ट गिअर तयार करायचं. ओके, हॉलो शाफ्ट करायचा आहे. Okay, so this is nothing but operation management. Okay, so which operations, which methods you are using. Okay, for example, whether you are using CNC machine, if CNC machine is using, which program is suitable. Okay, whether which software you are using, which company software you are using. Okay, so that should be observed by the manager only. Is it right? So operation management is concerned with management of the production function in any organization. Designing of system of the organization that produce goods or services with planning and controlling of the day-to-day operation which takes place within this system. So this is the same like the already we are discussing production department. So basic difference of the production and operation. So meaning production management connotes the management of the selection of activities belonging to the production of product, and operation management identifies the part of management involved with the creation and delivery of the product and service. Okay, this is a very small difference. So production management is dealing with only production of the process. Okay, but in operation manager it involves creation and delivery. Is it right? Whatever the creation, whatever the innovation if you require, that should be considered in the operation management. Is it right? Suppose if you consider the gold industry. ओके, गोल्ड इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये पण डिपेंड बघा, आपल्या गावातले लोक बरेच बाहेर जातात सोन्या चांदीला, बरोबर का. ना व्हॉट इज हिज वर्क कल्चर. ओके, हे काय करतायत, तर गोल्ड घ्यायचं, त्याला काय क्रिएशन करायचं, एक काय नाकातलं नथनी बनवेल कोण, पायातलं काय बनवेल, ओके, गळ्यातलं काय बनवेल, डिझाईन बनवेल. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट ऑपरेशन मॅनेजमेंट. ओके, प्रोडक्शन इज नथिंग बट जे काय गोळा करायचं आणि त्याचे बिस्किट बनवून द्यायचं. इज इट राईट? So this is a little bit difference of production management and operation management. Okay, decision making linked. Now what is difference between according to the decision making linked to the aspects of the production and linked to the normal business activity. Now basically operation management is depend on the business activities and production management is depend on the different aspects. Is it right? So this is a small difference of the production management and operation management. Okay, generally due to that only they have considered only single point. Okay, म्हणजे आता हे सगळे काय करतात, प्रोडक्शन ऑपरेशन एकच म्हणतात. ओके, बट व्हेरी स्मॉल डिफरन्स इज देअर. ड्यू टू दॅट पर्पज आय हॅव गिवन द ॲडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन. ओके, सो बेसिकली प्रोडक्शन अँड ऑपरेशन डिपार्टमेंट इज कंबाईन्ड. Okay, according to the industry also. Okay, if you consider the gold industry or any design industry, so operation department is separate and production department is separate. Okay, but generally 90% industries are having production department and operation department is the same. Okay, so what we have discussed in this chapter, production management. Okay, so in next lecture, marketing and financing, we will finish. Okay, so maximum 2 lectures will require, or if possible we will complete in within 1 lecture. Okay, so one very important notice to all, so you have to start your project work as well as, okay, whatever the return or whatever the manufacturing. So very recently your product will be expected. Okay, whatever the overall, whatever the, as per government rules and regulations, you will get deadline to early as possible. Okay, so we have to think on that. While making product, you have to use our managerial knowledge also. Okay, then and then only the benefit of this subject will be you will get. Okay, so while creating or while maintaining your product or project, what we have discussed today, whatever the production or definition of production, production manager process, different types of inputs, what is procedure and methods. Actually this process or different methods are there. Our second section is overall section is depend on method only. Okay, so you have to take controlling. Okay, or different methods are there, so you have to study that methods also. Is it right? Hmm? So in second section we will early as possible we will start the second section. Okay, which is very important. Man, machine, material, land, capital. Okay, these are the input. After process, output. Output may be in goods and services. According to the output, feedback should be acceptable. Okay, and that should be implemented in your entire process or input also. Okay, so this is our role of that production manager. Is it right? So already nature or structure we can say that already discussed a lot. Role of production system, decision making, and the production planning and controlling we have discussed. Is it right? So so we will stop today. Okay. Again, functions of production we have discussed. Material, method, machines, estimating, loading, scheduling, routing, dispatching, expediting, follow up, inspection, evaluation. Is it right? Again, the operation management, difference between operation and the production manager management. Okay, so this is sufficient. Okay, so I will take attendance here. Hmm? If any doubt is there, you can ask me. If any doubt. Okay. 36 3. So thank you for attending this lecture. So don't left. So I will take attendance here. Okay, so next lecture we will start the financial management. Okay, different aspect, different roles, different nature of that financial management. Is that right? So our in next lecture, I think next lecture is on tomorrow. Okay, so we will meet again tomorrow. Okay, so thank you for attending this lecture. I will stop recording here.